Hello again, little learners, and today, well, not even today, just now, because as you can see this is yet another video that I'm creating during the day. We are going to have a look now at taking this data that we created in our totals query and putting it into Excel to create a graph. Now, when we take data out of a database, it's called a database extract. Okay? Extract means that we're literally taking it out and putting it somewhere. Like, for example, you could say that, for example, the flavor of tea is extracted from the tea bag when the boiling water is put into the cup. Because if you think about it, the tea comes out. So what it means is we've got to get this out of Access. So how do we do that? Well, there are ways of doing it that include copy and paste, but I'm going to show you this way of doing it, which is export. And to do that, I'm going to go to Export and Excel, and what it will do is it will create a file, an Excel file for me to collect. So I'm going to call it staff query, and I'm going to put loads of stuff next to it so I can tell which one is which. And I'm going to save it on my desktop, or as they say in Spain, escritorio. So there we go. I've saved it on my desktop. So now I would go to my desktop. Woo! Takes me a while to get there. Let me see. There it is. Staff query. Open that up. Come on, little file. Open up. Okay, it doesn't want to open up, so I will open Excel first. You just can't get the files these days. Open desktop. Doopy 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 staff query, and there we go, there's the data. Now, if you find that half of your word is missing like this, because this shouldn't say sum of new, it should say sum of number, and this shouldn't say count of number across two columns, it should say count the number here. Really simple. Hold your mouse between B and C so it goes like a little black cross, double click, and problem solved. Isn't that amazingly amazing? Oops, it's not working for this. I don't know why. I'll just do it manually. I'll drag it. There we go. Amazing. Right, next thing. Where was I? Oh, yes. Create a graph charting package showing the count of holidays sold by each member of staff. So, I need my staff members. Like that. Hold Control down on your keyboard and take the count column as well. Go to pie chart. Let's take a 3D pie. Let's be really technical and go 3D. There we go. Click on 3D pie. And oh, that doesn't look very good, does it? Let's try that again. Insert pie. Let's go for a 2D pie. Still not getting it to work. Let me try that again. Select that. Going to insert pie chart 2D. There we go. Not sure what I did wrong there. If anyone would like to tell me, you can write it in the comments box below. It just says, "Hey, Mr. Graham, this is what you got wrong." Anyway. It says in the question that the names have got to be on the segments. So what we need to do is we need to go to chart layouts and find a way of doing that. And if I perhaps choose layout 5, hey, there we go. All of them are on except me, ME, but me's box, this bit of cheese or a bit of pizza is a bit too small. So basically they just kind of hang off there. Although I suppose if we wanted to, we could make it like relatively bigger so that they don't have to hang off. But I'll let you mess around with that kind of stuff yourselves. There we go. Move it about there and stick it down there and put that bit over here, and yeah, so there we go. Alright. There we go. Let's shift that down like that. Oh, good grief. There we go. And then chart title would go there, and then all you would do is you would put the title is in the exam paper, in this case number of holidays sold, into here like that. And so you would end up with a pie chart that looks like this. And then I'm pretty sure in the exam it'll tell you to import it into Word, which just means basically copy and paste it into your Word document. We're not doing the Word document in these videos because we're only doing databases. So there we go. There's my exported extract and graph. Alright. Thank you for watching.